Experiencing an unable to charge error with your Chevy Bolt can be incredibly frustrating. These charging failures typically stem from four main categories of problems that we'll explore in detail. The four primary causes of charging errors are charging port issues, battery management system faults, onboard charger malfunctions, and software communication glitches. Charging port problems are often the most visible issues. These can include mechanical damage to the port door, electrical faults like corroded contacts, or environmental factors such as ice, debris, or moisture blocking proper connections. The battery management system acts as the brain of your vehicle's charging process. BMS faults can prevent charging when the battery temperature is too hot or cold, when there are cell balancing issues, or when communication errors occur between the BMS and charging equipment. Onboard charger malfunctions involve problems with the AC to DC power conversion process. These can include component failures in the power electronics, thermal management issues causing overheating protection to activate, or problems with the inverter or converter systems. Software and communication glitches represent a significant portion of charging problems. These include CAN bus communication errors between vehicle systems, charging protocol mismatches with certain charging networks, and firmware bugs that can disrupt the charging process. It's important to understand that while General Motors completed most battery replacements by late 2022 due to a major recall, charging issues can still persist in both recalled and post-recall vehicles. Many current problems are related to software compatibility issues with third-party charging networks rather than hardware failures. When your Chevy Bolt shows an unable to charge error, there are several quick fixes you can try before seeking professional help. These troubleshooting steps can resolve most common charging issues. First, try basic reset procedures. The most effective is disconnecting your 12-volt battery for 15 minutes. This resets the vehicle's electrical systems and can clear temporary charging faults. Next, perform a physical inspection of your charging port. Look for any visible damage, debris, or moisture. Clean the port gently with a dry cloth and ensure the charging port door operates smoothly. Temperature is critical for charging. Your Bolt's battery management system prevents charging if the battery is too hot or too cold. The optimal charging temperature range is 32 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure your Bolt has the latest software updates installed. GM regularly releases updates that fix charging compatibility issues and improve system performance. Check your infotainment system for available updates. Try different charging cables and stations to rule out compatibility issues. Some charging networks may have temporary problems or incompatibilities with your specific Bolt model year. For advanced diagnostics, professional tools can help identify specific issues. OBD2 scanners designed for electric vehicles can read charging system error codes and provide detailed diagnostic information. Remember that GM extended charging system warranties to 8 years or 100,000 miles. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your issue, check if your vehicle is still covered under warranty for professional repair.